All right, here's the alternator. I made a custom bracket down here. You're gonna have to figure that out. With the adjuster, it comes up to the handle to tighten the belt. I'm gonna do this in several videos for you. My bracket is jacked up. I got to redo this winter, but it works for now and it functions. The battery, then the wires just run from the alternator down to a battery. You're gonna have to put a switch on. This is a switch I run for my blower. This is a switch you run for. You're gonna have to run a switch to turn on the alternator so it will charge. You got to pull a load on. It's kind of like what your ignition on your truck does. The wiring's pretty simple though. All your other wiring stays the same. Basically, you have power wires that come down to the battery. They go into here, that puts a load on it, so it knows to charge the battery. This is what I did on my own. That just turns my burner on and off, separate of just the trigger, because I don't want it firing on and off every time. The Predator will bolt basically right in. I live at 5,000 feet, so that's why I ended up doing a different carb and an air boot to lean it out, because you can't buy jets for the Predator that lean it out enough. As you can see, the alternator. I did jack up this mount, so I got to redo the alternator. But that's the hardest part, is building that bracket.